In the age of short attention spans,
Have you heard anything I said?
it is an achievement to open a film with prolonged silent static shots and still hold our attention. That's how The Substance opens. For the first 3 minutes, we have only 2 shots, completely static. So how does it still manage to hook the audience? The opening shot is minimal. A single element up close and center within a wide, empty, static frame. What makes such a simple shot striking is the harmonious contrast created by the complementary colors in such a disproportionate ratio. The shot looks flat, but you realize the shine here gives the texture. The high key lighting makes the image feel artificial, too polished, with no shadow, unusually bright for a horror. And where are we? Detached from the everyday world. There is no visible setting. And why are we looking directly down at an egg like this? The director, Coralie Fargeat, makes us guess. The gloved hand injecting this chemical, along with the clinical lighting, suggests a laboratory and an underground scientific experiment. This is The Substance from the title, and here's our first clue about its power. The closest comparison is the opening shot of 2001: A Space Odyssey by Stanley Kubrick, where the sun comes out behind the Earth, signaling both the cosmic source of life and the film's epic scope. An egg, while still a symbol of organic life and fertility, is 70 trillion times smaller in scope. But the birth of this better but unnatural second egg perfectly foreshadows the film's overarching conflict. This opening shot is simple, yet alien and provocative, which makes it iconic. Coralie Fargeat uses extreme minimalism to activate maximum imagination from us. Now inject this into yourself. Imagine. The second shot introduces the main character, Elizabeth Sparkle. We don't see Elizabeth up close. Instead, Fargeat introduces her through the very thing that defines her. Her youth and fame embodied by the star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Framed exactly like the opening shot, it sets up a connection between Elizabeth and The Substance. This static shot lasts for decades, making us watch the star erode physically and symbolically, mirroring Elizabeth's fading youth and value in the public eye. It is an unusual character introduction. A more conventional director might have shot a montage of Elizabeth's decline over the years. Fargeat characterizes Elizabeth without showing Elizabeth. She chooses something more precise, a symbol to stand in for our character. In a single shot, Fargeat condenses Elizabeth's entire worth and the erosion of that worth. The camera angle is crucial to this characterization. A high angle already places us in a position of looking down on the subject. But when the camera is directly overhead like this, it flattens the subject, collapsing their height into the ground, or visually collapsing Elizabeth into the star itself. Instead of spectacle, adrenaline, or an intimate character introduction, Coralie Fargeat opens The Substance with absolute restraint. In just 2 static shots, she teases the power of the substance and introduces the protagonist through precise symbols rather than elaborate exposition. I mean, The Substance is not a visually restrained film.
Pretty girls should always smile!
Not at all. But opening it this way builds great suspense and anticipation for Elizabeth's eventual encounter with The Substance. Hope the analysis was useful. If you need to refresh on the basics of cinematography, feel free to check out my previous lessons. Thank you for watching and see you next time.